Mr. Guest. Candidate number 1, Miss Philippines. May I request the presence of Miss Peach to receive the award of Best in National. Do you want to know who is the Little Mr. United Nations 2009?
Yes.
I can hear you. Yes! The Little Mr. United Nations 2009. Ayan, who is your bet? Patingin nga po. Parinig nga kung sino ang bet ng orders para sa Little Mr. United Nations 2009. May nagsasabing number 2. May nagsasabing number 2. Parang miss yun. May nagsasabing number 7. Okay, everybody listen. Our Little Mr. United Nations 2009 is candidate number 4, Mr. USA. May I request the Premier naman kung sino ang nanalo ng Little Miss United Nations 2009. Let me hear your voices niya. Who is your bet? Number? Okay, may nagsasabing number 1. And now, our Little Miss United Nations 2009 is candidate number 2. Little Miss United Nations is Alena M. Jimenez. She is representing the country of Mexico. She also received a cash and a trophy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, candidate.